Environment and development are the two conflicting issues which are under debate in the coastal region of Karnataka for quite a long time now. Whether it was establishing MRPL or the present issue of Nagarjuna thermal power plant, there have always been two parties. While one group supports the project with a view of development, another group opposes the same with a view of possible harm to the nature. Hence, the thinkers suggest sustainable development without compromising the future perspectives. Nagarjuna Thermal Power Project at a total cost of Rs 4,300 crore intended to be set up at Nandikur in Udpi district is facing a strong opposition from the environmentalists. The antagonists led by Nandikur Janajagruti Samiti and Nagarjuna Horata Samiti have been vehemently protesting the setup of the project. However, Nagarjuna is moving ahead despite this strong protests. The situation have created a lot of confusion. DaijiWorld decides to send a team to the site to make an on-the-spot study of the status so that our readers could get the correct picture amidst conflicting claims from different sides. Nagarjuna project has a gestation period of 34 months. Tushar Roy, Vice President of the project, is confident of generating power before the end of 2009. For this purpose, 420 acres of land has been acquired at Nandikur. Fencing work has been completed. At present, levelling work is in progress.
Levelling work is in progress, and the periphery roads, some lighting, security arrangements, setting up of the site offices. For the company, the total employee needed after the plant is constructed may be about say 250 for operating, 200 to 250 people for total operation maintenance of the plant. The local opportunities are more because what we have said in the skilled category up to the workman supervisory level, there will be 50% employment from the state, and we have an employment scheme for one person per family that also is there depending on the suitability.
The fly ash and sulfur which will be released to air after burning the coal is a great cause of worry. But Nagarjuna is assuring a pollution-free operation at Nandikur. The official says that sufficiently advanced technology is available towards eliminating hazardous contents in the fly ash which is to be adopted in the plant.
See, pollution, any power plant on a coastal based power plant, that to coastal base, all over the world we have coastal power plants. In India also we have at different places. So the pollution norms, the environmental norms and other things, there are methods and technologies today to meet those norms.
The company is also planning to get low ash coal. A chimney about 275 meters in height will be built to release the smoke. The thermal power plant needs a lot of water to cool the power generating units. Hence, the plant is located near the sea. Nandikur is close to the port. This helps to get the coal needed to generate power by burning process, imported from Australia, Indonesia and South Africa at low transportation cost. For easy handling of the coal, a captive jetty is to be built at New Mangalore port. For the purpose of rehabilitating the people, those who have lost their land and houses here, 57 acres of land has been purchased at Tenka. Site allotment will be done soon, says Veena Shetty, PRO of Nagarjuna.
Karnataka could boast about having in this area, this is a very remote area of Udupi district, and Nagarjuna Power Corporation bringing a thermal project with one of the best technologies ever in India. So rehabilitation was the main intention behind the whole thing. Was we wanted the land losers to get the best benefit out of this, and we'll be giving them 60 by 90 for the land owners, and then there will be two 60 by 40 sites which will be given to either the children or the tenants staying in our plant area. So in this rehabilitation colony, we will be having on the entrance side, we will be having a temple which will be followed by something like a playground. We will be having a school, a primary health center, and we will be having something like a panchayat building. We will be having a commercial complex which will be having a supermarket and a vegetable market, fish market and everything. And this rehabilitation center would be a model township. In fact, we will be having 2 ring roads inside the rehabilitation center, and this rehabilitation colony will be accommodating more than about 200 people out here. The total area out here is 60 acres of land, out of which we are having about 19 to 20 acres of land which is government land, and this rehabilitation center will be probably the first of its kind to boast about, to have the best sanitation. We are having, if you could see down below, we are having the best drainage system with about 8 borewell systems over here with the over tank, and each house will be getting water and electricity will be provided to each doorstep. So I think we should be proud out saying that we would create one of the best townships in Udupi district.
The people of Karnataka are facing severe problems on account of power shortage. Hence, the state is in need of power generating unit. These days, a lot of organizations are staging protests against load shedding, irregular supply of power, but little thought is given towards generating power.
1015 megawatt will be generated from this station through two units. And 90% of the power will go to the state of Karnataka. That will be taken by KPTCL through setting up of transmission system by them. So we will be selling power at the rate of 220 to 230 per unit.
This is what Jai Shri Krishna Parisara Premi Samiti President Vishwanath Mada has to say.
We want them to safeguard the environment at any cost. At the same time, we do not want the industrial development without the safeguarding of the environment. Project affected people to be relocated and re-established in a very systematic, in a compassion. We are going to have 5 or 6 monitoring committees of the citizens. One for discharge of water into the rivers. Another one, we want to see how much of monitoring of all these things will be monitored by us. And we will also supervise how the water is being discharged, how the environment is being protected, and how many areas they will this thing. And there are certain wells are being created around the system. Those wells are being protected or not.
Without getting carried away by any propaganda from any side, the need of a fair and unbiased assessment of the project has been felt by DaijiWorld team. With cameraman Austin for TV Daijiworld, this is Gloria Rodriguez.